Understand to memorize. Idiom insight. Today's idiom. Cry wolf. Don't cry wolf. Cry wolf? What does it mean? It's the same meaning as don't raise a false alarm. Okay, so where does the meaning of this idiom come from? The idiom cry wolf originates from Aesop's fable, The Boy Who Cried Wolf. In the story, a shepherd boy repeatedly tricks villagers by falsely shouting about a wolf attacking his flock. When a wolf truly appears, no one believes him. Today, it warns against raising false alarms or lying repeatedly. Wow! Have you memorized it already?